In every culture, national symbols are important expressions of cultural and/or political identity and pride. In independent countries, they are called national anthems. In non-independent countries, they are called national songs. In the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, we uphold these symbols as representing what is special about each of us, whether associate or full member. Our Caribbean has emerged from a rich history forged by struggle but consolidated in peace. Our anthems and national songs reflect this history. They also embody our aspirations, and they help us to define what is unique, what is special, what is proud about us. Martinique, the OECS looks forward to what you will choose to define yourself as the Caribbean expression of a great French tradition.